Last episode, everything stopped. And now, we're gonna find out if we can finish the floor.
She wants it. Back on.
You didn't think we were gonna give up that easy, did you? Now let's finish this floor.
Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up. First shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Alright, if it looks right, it is right. That's what we're rolling.
That's what we're rolling with. Good morning. We are finishing up the floor today.
Good morning. Working on putting the joists up to the floor. I'm cutting this morning.
Today, we're working on floor joists. They span across the foundation and support the weight of the entire floor.
Nice.
It's slightly raining. It feels awesome. And honestly, I hope we get a rainbow. That would just be so great.
After a lot of measure, cut, repeat, we were finally ready to install the dance floor. I mean, the plywood. The joists take time and patience, but once they are in, the plywood flies and the whole build changes in a single afternoon.
Give me a hand on it. The beach, I can see the beach.
Okay, not on the beach.
That's what I want.
Dreams are coming true, bro.
Dude, by the moment.
So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. We go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Come on.
Can I kick it? Thank you. Yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like you give a little speed to a great white shark on shark week. Raw, time to go up, come. Deuces goodbye. I got a world to see. My girl, she wanna see Rome. See some make you a
Remember the battery I told you that was crappy? Or why you use it?
So giving it back to the people now. Sing this song and it goes like,
Batteries are
raise
horrible.
those hands. This is our party. We
No good, already dead.
Behind me, if I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching. I said, this is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Starting to get dark in here. I love it, you guys. Look at that. Actually in the garage. Look who it is, guys! Jimmer! Yeah, we wouldn't be up here without Jerry. He showed us this view. Alright, we are officially in the house. So right behind me is going to be the view when you're standing in the kitchen. Panoramic, baby.
Pretty good.
Wow.
I'm still sleeping. We're not dreaming.
We're not dreaming.
We're not dreaming.
Well, we are dreaming. It's just coming true.
There you go. That's called a goal put into action.
Remember when this was a magazine cutout in our living room? Yeah. Okay, we are moving the plywood from outside into our garage. Our freaking garage.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Come on.
It's crazy having a place to put stuff.
So nice to finally have shade built into the property where we can cut from or just take a break from that sunshine. It's beautiful, but when you're working out there all day, it is taxing. So it is so nice to have a shady place to come into and just take a break, man. So, and it's nice to see the progress as well. So first floor is in.
It's so crazy to see it dark in here. It's like surreal. Don't know if you can tell. The ceilings are super high. So we got a lot of place to put our gear, like surfboards, kite equipment, fishing poles. Maybe I'll put a jet ski over here. We don't know. We got options.
Oh, we're not.
How you feeling?
Feel great. We're gonna use this plywood to eventually build our deck, which we decided to pour with concrete. Just be extra strong and withstand the elements. So that's what we're gonna use this plywood for. It was on our last boat shipment, but now it's gonna stay in our garage until we're back here next time.
Hell yeah! Where is it gonna stay?
In our garage.
In our garage! We have a garage!
So this morning when we got here, we finished the joists on the other side of the beam. And then we started to lug plywood up there and we got the decking on. So officially the first floor is down. We have about 2 more small cuts of plywood and then we can call the floor finished. And then we're gonna start blocking up for the second floor for the walls.
What's that we say? We're going up!
We're going up!
We're going up!
In the next episode,
We might not have enough block to go to finish all the walls while we're here.
our goal this year is to hit 100,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to help us even further, head to our website and grab some merch. Every single purchase goes directly into funding this build.
Now, can I kick it? Thank you. Yeah, I'm so damn grateful.